Yo guys, what's up? In this video I'm about to show you how you can create some fire beats for Drake to get placements. So make sure you watch the entire video to get the placements. If not, then that's not my problem. I'm just joking. So we can start to the video. Let's make some bangers now. Okay, I didn't still open any VST, so maybe we're about just to start with the analog lab and use some of the keys here. Let's see what we got here. Let's go to the styles, maybe something dark. Okay, let's find something very easy, very simple. Okay, this one sounds cool. Okay, now when it comes to the melody, now we can just use some fast repetitive melody and we can reverse it and we can make just a simple banger with this one. So now I'm about to speed up the tempo a little bit, maybe to 170, and now let's just make some fast repetitive melody here. Okay, this sounds already fire. So now let's just maybe pitch it up. Now let's just upgrade this a little bit more. Okay, I think this already sounds super dope. Let's maybe add portal here. Just see if we can add a little bit effect here. I think this one sounds very cool. And now let's just drag this here, and now make sure you watch this. This is very cool trick for the reverse melodies. About to click here and about to click flip here. And make sure you click flip horizontally and click accept. After that, go to the patterns and click quick render as audio clip as always. Now I'm about to drag here to the playlist. Now reverse it, normalize a little bit, and now I'm about to pitch it down, and let's see what we got. Sounds very dark. Maybe let's pitch it more. Now let's add it just one channel right here. Maybe let's add a little bit reverb. And now make sure when you are making drums, make sure you make your drums very easy and very simple. So make sure you may notice that each like a beat from Drake is very easy, very simple drum pattern, like hi-hats, kick, open hats, some simple bass, and that's pretty much it. So make sure that you leave space, not only when you're making Drake type beats, so make sure you leave space for everything, for every type beat. So let's drag this here. Maybe stretch, use a stretch, and maybe let's do this. Okay, I see the difference. I think for this melody it will be super fire to add some sub bass and stuff, so I will add that as well. So maybe let's just add some overheads, and that's it for this beat. Now let's maybe add some sub bass here just for fun. Okay, I like this one, so let's just use envelope real quick, cut itself, and let's just make some sub bass melody. Super dope. So now let's just check this out real quick here. Want to add also halftime on this one just to see what will happen. Sounds not bad. But I prefer without halftime. And that's pretty much it. Beat came out very simple, very easy. So let's hear it. When I noticed, like, I think this melody sounds fire, but I think it will sound much better if I use like another sound. But I didn't want to waste that much time on sounds. For example, this one, I'm not sure. Let's export. Forgot to do this. Alright, it's already done. Let's hear this beat with this melody, for example. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you can see, melody came out very simple, very easy, just a few tricks, and beat came out super fire. Now you can make this melody and make melodies much better, much faster. This was just for beginners, just for basic things, understand how things goes. And in the future videos we can just make something like darker, harder, more sounds and stuff like that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll also upload this loop on the Discord, so make sure you join Discord, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.